Do you believe? Straight from a party, we're all on a roll tonight.
Hi, how y'all doing today? And welcome to DAT Family 5. On today, this is a sponsored, my first sponsored video. Clearly, I'm excited because I can't get anything together. Y'all know how I do when I do, and when I do, and how I do, right? Okay, so we can go ahead and open this box up so y'all can see who the sponsor is. All right, let's go ahead and go right on down here.
Turn and feel the heat. Straight from a party.
We got y'all. Let's see what we got.
I will be smiling. You'll be so fine.
Make sure that it was wrapped. Do y'all see what this is? Can y'all see? Can y'all see? Can y'all see? It's Javy. Hey, original coffee. Javy original coffee. This daggone thing. Y'all know we are coffee connoisseurs here in this house. And so Javy coffee concentrate, hot, cold or hot. Original coffee. This is 35 servings. Comes in this little container. Nice and dark. Alright, so how to use. Fill your cup mug with 6 to 8 ounces of water or milk. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Javy and mix. Add creamer or flavoring. It's 80 milligrams of caffeine per serving. Let's see. It says we reimagine the coffee experience to undoubtedly delicious, convenient, and fun. We're not afraid to try new things, and we don't think you should be either. Try new things all the time, y'all. We are adventurous in life and in flavor. All right, so carbohydrate 1, calcium 11, potassium 65. Ingredients are coffee concentrate, filtered water and coffee, caffeine, aquamine, calcium from marine algae. Intriguing. Distributed by Javy Cafe. And in the link below, you'll see my link. And I'm so excited for my first sponsorship. All right, so we're gonna do this a couple times, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and put this down in here. We got my water right here. Let me go ahead and bring y'all down to eye level. So we got this. So this is a half a tablespoon. I feel like I need a tablespoon. Today has been a very hard day. Ooh. Pop that out.
Don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing. Bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of
here's my cup of coffee. It looks like coffee. It smelled like coffee. I really liked it. Like, I haven't tasted it yet, but the smell of it was amazing. I smelled like really good coffee.
So how do that aroma smell?
Bold. It smells bold and smells like coffee. It smells like caffeine.
You can smell the Arabica beans in there.
This is why he don't do things with me.
With a hint of hickory.
No, I say no, me first. All right, so they are sustainably sourced, ethically sourced, and dairy-free, sugar-free, plant-powered, and non-GMO.
Say that one more time.
No. You can purchase the product, and yes, y'all, this is what happened. So my link will be down below, but my link is going to be sip.javycoffee.com/discount/ guess what? DAT Family 5, where you will get a 20% discount, and that is automatically applied when you use my discount code. Here it is. My discount code is DAT Family 5. Y'all so excited. Yes. Please do not forget to share this video with y'all. I am using this today. It is now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I have had a busy day.
How busy was your day?
I taught my water aerobics class this morning. And then I went into work. It worked for about 4 hours, and then I picked up the kids, and I just got home.
Well, no. You not just picked up kids. You picked up 2 kids. You did 2.
I picked up the kids.
2 kids.
I picked up 2 out of 3 kids.
Multiple stops.
Yes, an hour between each. So it's crazy. But anyway, so we're gonna taste this. I didn't taste it yet. Yes, let's go ahead and taste it. So I put some Kahlua in it, and I put the rest of the Irish cream in there, and then I put some white chocolate mocha syrup in there. So we're gonna see how it tastes. It tastes good. Really good. Tastes really good. You can taste that. You can taste those. It's not beans though. Is it beans? I can't remember. Well, it tastes good. The coffee. It tastes good. I'm gonna go ahead and drink that as I get started on my schoolwork until we have company coming over today. So schoolwork. But yeah, so I know it's gonna help me to, cause caffeine do that to me. It's gonna help me have a very Douglas.
I do shave, so I don't want to be in there.
But I don't like you scruffy. I just don't like you rubbing up against me scruffy. Cause my legs get itchy. I'm sorry.
I like my coffee a little bit darker than hers. I like to have a full flavored coffee like myself.
So there's he don't like his coffee looking like me. He like it a little dark. No, I'm joking. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up this video. I really like the taste of it. Don't forget that the discount is down below. Please make sure that you buy yourself a bottle.
Code again?
DAT Family? DAT Family 5.
DAT Family
5, y'all. Yeah. So I'm really excited for my first sponsorship. Yay! So exciting.
Yes, we're so excited. First one. We're not virgins no more.
I hate him. Alright, as always, we are the family that love life and having fun and giving you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. What are you doing?
I was ready to say peace and soul, but you messed me up.
Thank you for spending your precious time with us, because time is so much precious.
I thought time was money. But we love you guys. Thank you. Appreciate you taking your time.
You get in the daggone thing.
Nah, I'm unfocusable. Thank you for, see, I'm in there. Well, thank you for joining us for your time and spending time with us. We appreciate every moment. And thank you. Thank you for supporting my lovely wife.
I love you too. All right, y'all be blessed. I see y'all on the tube. Peace out, y'all. Mwah.